Hey guys, today we're doing a super easy job. We are replacing the cabin air circulation filtration or cabin air filter, and this is the filter for it right here. It's a CAF 1766, and it's very easy. It's right in the glove box. So you empty out your glove box, you squeeze right here, and you squeeze right here. There it is. The glove box drops down, and here it is. You squeeze this tabs, and this unit comes right out. And here's your filter. You replace the cartridge, and we'll put it right back in. All right, guys, you'll see that in the filter itself, there's a direction this filter has to be installed, so you'll be pointing it upwards. And even on the container itself, it says up. So this has to be up, and this has to be up. So you just slip the filter inside the filter housing, and just be gentle with it because it has plastic tabs, and we just put the filter right back in. Here it is, guys. The filter is back inside its filter housing. The tabs are holding the filter in place, and we slip it right back to where it was. There it is. Yeah, you just push it right in like this. And that's it, guys. That's nothing to it. The job is done. Then you just put the glove box. You'll see the tabs. I don't know if you can see them. See the tabs right there. That's it. Once you insert the tabs right there like that, just push it up. That's it. Job is done.